I buy myself a Ball Bluster Sniper Rifle. I got this AWN Sniper, like you can see, and what I'm gonna do is I am going to upgrade the internal spring to a 1.5 because that's the maximum you can get. It's going to be all plastic interiors, but I just want to see how it works, and I'll show you what's the result after I change the spring and the firing. Today I'm going to be looking at the AWN Bolt Action Sniper Rifle. I recently actually went and bought myself a 1.5mm spring, and I'm just going to change it and see the difference between how it's from a 1.2 or 1.1 to 1.5. I know what's going to happen is that the cylinders inside here will be broken, but yeah. Anyway, so let's get started. What are we going to do first? You need an Allen key, and there will be one here, one there, and one there to undo. Quite easy. Oops. There we go. Nice and easy. There's the 4, and then your barrel should easily come out. There we go. You can, it's only plastic, so nothing to it. But what you can do is, if you want to make it a bit heavier, you undo the little screws in this every hole here to remove this, and then you basically can add extra weight into that, but that's another time. So we've got our little barrel here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got 10 screws to undo, and when you undo all the screws, basically these will come off. Oops. And that's what it's going to look like inside. We might not be able to see it because I don't have enough light. But you get the picture. Basically, this is your cylinder. It just slides out. So we have this cylinder. We have 2 little screws just there. I don't know if you can see it. When you take those 2 little screws out, there's this little cylinder in the middle there, which I need to bang out. And let's just do that now. Oh, you can easily take out the spring. Mine has already been kind of upgraded by myself by adding an extra little one, but doesn't matter. Well, this is the original spring. See, it's nice and thin and very stretchable. And then the new spring, which I bought, is more tougher and can't be stretched. Basically, it's quite simple. You grab the new spring, place it into the cylinders, or the air cylinder we call it, and put everything back together how you took it apart. After upgrading the spring to 1.5, let's test it how it works. I got milkies in this one. Personally, I do not see any of the gel ball bullets coming out. I think what's happening is they are being destroyed because the power from the spring is too much.